How to inclinate map on Google Maps. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can inclinate map on Google Maps. For that, open your Google Map application on your mobile device and from here find the location you want to view. You can also zoom in to find the correct location. If you want to view it in a 3D view, you can click on this layers and select satellite type here. Once you do so, you will be presented with the satellite view. Now to inclinate this map, you can see a compass icon just below this layers icon. Click on this compass and you can tilt your map according to your preference. Or if you want to inclinate the map of your location, then you can click on this location icon right here and click on the compass icon right here to tilt or incline it. So in this way you can inclinate map on Google Maps. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you next video. Stay connected.